TV with me, Isma. In a politically charged movement, Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei recently ignited controversy by commenting on the plight of Muslims in Myanmar, Gaza and India. His remarks have triggered a sharp rebuke from India's Ministry of External Affairs, which labelled Khamenei's statement as misinformed and unacceptable. This exchange raises critical questions about international diplomacy, the role of religious leaders in political discourse, and the sensitivity surrounding the treatment of minorities. As tensions simmer between Iran and India, Khamenei's comment serves as a flashpoint in an already complex geopolitical landscape. Here's a special report from Foresights TV. Khamenei's remarks were made during a gathering of clerics in Tehran, where he emphasized that Muslims cannot turn a blind eye to the suffering of their brethren worldwide, including those in India. He stated, "We cannot consider ourselves to be Muslims if we are obviously suffering, and a Muslim is included in Myanmar, Gaza, India, or any other countries." This declaration presented as a call for solidarity of Muslims to spark outrage regarding its Muslim minority. In response to Khamenei's comment, Indian officials did not hold back. Randeep Jaiswal, spokesperson for the Ministry of External Affairs, issued a strong condemnation suggesting that Iran should first examine its own treatment of minorities before criticizing others. He stated countries commenting to minorities should first review their own records before making observations about others. This highlights the were swift and varied. Israel's ambassador of India, Ruben Azar, took to social media to denounce Khamenei as a killer and oppressor of his own people, claiming that Muslims in democracies like Israel and India enjoy freedom that are denied. This statement underscores the complexity of international relations that allies equity from advanced states the broader implications of Khamenei's statement cannot be understood. Have been strengthening ties, particularly with the recent signing of a 10-year contract to develop the Chabahar port. This strategic partnership has allowed India to bypass Pakistan for trade routes, adding another layer of significance to Khamenei's remarks. The juxtaposition of diplomatic cooperation with open conversations as it navigates its relationship with Iran and Israel. Khamenei's it has previously weighed issues related to Indian Muslims, particularly following the abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir in 2019. His consistent remarks in the status of Muslims in India raise questions about the motivations behind such statements. Are they genuine expressions of concern for fellow Muslims, or do they serve a strategic purpose in Iran's broader geopolitical agenda? Moreover, as India prepares for upcoming settlements, Khamenei's remarks will further polarize the narrative surrounding The recent comments by Ayatollah Ali Khamenei about the suffering of Muslims in India, Gaza and Myanmar have not only stirred diplomatic tensions but also reignited debates surrounding minority rights in the international criticism. India's swift rebuke serves as a reminder of the sensitive nature of religious and political discourse in a globalized world. As both nations continue to navigate their historical ties and contemporary challenges, the interplay between political statements and international relations remains fraught with potential conflict. The controversy surrounding Khamenei's remarks is a vivid illustration of how words can reverberate across borders, shaping perceptions and influencing political landscapes in unexpected ways. As the situation unfolds, all eyes will be on both how Iran and India manage their complex relationship in the wake of this incendiary exchange. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Foresights TV with me, Isma.